You are going to love the 2013 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, compass. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.